Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing controllers and accounts. This step gets you into split screen fast. Sign in both players on PS5. Primary account must own Fortnite, so the game can load both profiles. Connect the second controller with USB or Bluetooth and press the PS button to wake it. Launch Fortnite from the primary account and get to the lobby. Once done, remain at the lobby screen so the game recognizes the second player and displays the join prompt. Now you add the second player in the lobby. This is the core execution. With both controllers active, have the second player press and hold the PS button, then choose their profile to join, watch the on-screen prompt. Make sure you select Duo or Squad because split screen works only in those supported modes. Solos and certain limited time modes won't split. Also check party privacy and match search options. Then confirm both players show as ready so the match can begin with split. Finish by starting the match and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Press confirm to search. Once the match loads, the screen will automatically split and each player gets their view. This is how Fortnite applies split screen. If the second player doesn't appear, sign them out and rejoin or fully restart Fortnite. That resolves most session glitches. For persistent controller problems, repair or switch to a wired USB connection for stability. This usually fixes input recognition quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.